What's up, everybody? I'm with my oldest son Jesse, and he's going to help me change the front side markers on the 2022 Ford Maverick XLT Hybrid. We'll be right back. So here's my oldest son Jesse. If you followed my channel before, he used to not be so big. He used to be a little dude, and he used to help me with my trucks or my cars before, and he's going to help me today. So he's my #1 assistant, and he's just getting too big. He's growing up. But today we're going to be doing the lasfit side marker lights right there. On previous videos, I've already changed the rear LEDs, the reverse LEDs I should say, and also the parking lights, which have lasfit switchbacks. I'm going to continue with the lasfit brand. I actually grew and got another kit, so we'll be doing this one here by lasfit. It's LEDs. Those are halogen incandescents, whatever you want to call them, non-LEDs. So we're going to replace it. I'm going to show Jesse how we can get at it, hopefully pretty quickly.
Yeah.
And that's about it. So Jesse, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what we got in hand?
We got this Maverick tools. We got a flat.
Yeah.
We got this light right here.
Yep. So we got to have the LEDs.
Yeah, and
you can get, I'm going to put a link in the description. I also have a coupon code for this. So
yeah,
make sure you follow that link. It would support the channel, and also you save some money. We have the Maverick tools, socket set, and a little flathead screwdriver. So let's go to it.
Yeah, let's pop these.
Yeah. All right, so what we got here, as you can see here, it might be a little bit hard. It's kind of bright. These are like some pop-out clips. Wow, I can't even see it in the video. Pop-out clips here, and then it has some bolts right here. So Jesse's gonna go at it. Let's see if I can turn on the light.
I think I need more room.
Okay, so go ahead and start the car and turn the wheels to the left. It might be a way to pop this out, but I'm afraid I would mar something. So we need to see what is it on the inside.
Turn it.
Keep going. Perfect. That's good. That's good, Jesse. My finger. What I like about these two, Jesse, look, you can actually pull this out and do it by hand right here with the knurling. Yeah. If you had to. So you could actually stick it in here and turn it. Yeah. Move it and turn it. Go ahead and get the other three.
I have more room right now.
There's actually more pieces to this, but we're just gonna get what we can just to get our hands in here. That's all we're doing.
Almost out. Almost. There.
Okay. So we're just gonna get this out the way. You can see here. We just want to get at this. So start from the bottom here. Start to pop it.
No, carefully, because I don't want to hit the paint.
And wiggle it out. There. Can you get in there? There you go. Oh. There you go. See? You just have to wiggle it.
And there. There we go. That worked. And let me wedge it in.
Watch your fingers.
And wiggle it so I don't. And
you can go left.
There we go.
See if there's enough room now. Yeah, that's good enough, right?
That's good enough.
So lefty loosey. Yep. There we go. Whew. All that for the little bulb. So let's see. I think you just yank it.
You just yank it? There.
Yeah, it just popped out, huh? Cool.
Now I'll put the new ones in.
Yeah.
Because they're like, it says DC 12 volts.
Just yank it faster, Jesse. There you go.
Ready.
And then it just pops in. I think these are non-polarity.
Yeah, it says no polarity.
You got it? Okay, let's go ahead and just flip the key. Unlock it, lock it, unlock it, and it'll turn on. There you go. It's already on.
Yeah.
So perfect. So we know it works. Okay, go ahead and lock. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. You want to put it back or want me to do it?
I'm gonna carefully put it back.
You can see it. Lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey.
Righty tighty. There you go.
There.
Get it?
Now it's snug.
Snug. All right. So, yep, snug. So that's it. So we'll just put these back.
Now get that out of the way.
Get to the other side. We'll be back to get the other side, and then we'll test them at night. Okay?
Yeah.
Press it.
See there?
So you can see how bright that is in the daytime. Let me go to the other side.
I have the key on still.
And you can see how less bright it is right here. We'll switch this one. You can see how it is in the sun. Can you get your hand up there? Don't scratch yourself. Yeah. Here. Can you feel it?
Actually, I can't. No.
Let me see.
Can't do it.
So on the driver's side, there's actually a ECU unit, some kind of control module that's blocking access. I had Jesse try to get this little panel underneath, but it actually does not work either. You can't get access to that light. So I decided just to stretch my hands and suffer and try to pop out the light myself. So much work to get the stupid mount. Oh, it's like right there.
Recording.
Okay, so I was able to, oh, it was hard. Okay, come on.
Yeah, it was hard.
I was able to push this pin out.
Yeah.
And clip it.
As
so
you can see, it's right here.
If you look here, which is you're gonna have to get it from the inside.
Yeah.
You can push this clip right here.
Yeah.
And that'll pop it out.
There's no
way to get it from the front though. You have to, well, yeah, well, you would mar it, so you have to get it from the inside to get it. Oh, that was a pain. So now,
carefully change it.
Go ahead and change it.
I know what I can do. I can carefully twist it.
You could twist it one way or the other way.
There.
Yep.
And that bolt comes out.
So easy to take it out, huh?
Get the new bulb in. It won't fall in.
So what we're gonna do is test it before you put everything out.
Now we're gonna put it in.
Yep.
And
snug.
It's very secure.
Get the key and flip it. See if it, make sure it's on.
Oh, that's locked. Oh, it's working.
We know it's working, right? Okay, cool. Yep.
I'm gonna
carefully do it secure.
There, it's on.
You sure?
Yeah.
And so now
I can carefully
the
push
back
it in.
goes first. Well, actually, you could go at the same time.
Yeah, because it will clip in. It will automatically clip.
So be careful with the paint. Push it to both sides. Yep. Oops. That's it.
Well, that worked.
That was a pain. Go ahead and unlock it. Let me see.
There.
And you can see how much brighter it is. We'll do this at night. So basically on this side, technically this is a fail. Don't go this way. Get at it this way. Driver's side sucks. You put your arm in it. You can try to get this out. There's a bolt here I saw, a bolt here and a bolt here. Don't know if you want to do that, but you can, so you can get more room. So it's up to you, or you could be painful and push it the way I did. So those are the ways to do it. Okay. Jesse will button this up. At night we'll go ahead and play. Here it is, guys. Woo! Yeah, it's bright too, right, Jonah?
Yeah.
Look, because it's bright on that side.
Really bright.
Look at that. Sucker's bright.
Yeah. It's so bright.
They can't miss us.
Yeah.
And what do you say?
Okay, so thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel, and then make sure to like our videos, and make sure to tap the notification bell, and press all notifications. I'll have a link in the description where to get this light from.
With the coupon code.
With the coupon code.
And what else to say?
And peace out.
Peace out.